Hey there, YouTube land, Brimstone 667 here. So yeah, this video might be a little short, oddly ranged, all that good stuff. So I'm actually just doing this as a little filler in because while I was editing one of my videos on the Jeep, I accidentally deleted the first half of it. Yeah, that's great, right? So yeah, so you know, it's gonna just pretty much jump right into it then. But you know, do have the second camera set up again, so I thought that turned out pretty neat. Anyway, so yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. And hey, you know, also just a little shout out there for you guys too. Make sure you hit the firedepartmentcoffee.com. You know, if you buy something, make sure that you put in the special instructions that I sent you. And also they have they gave me a code too, 20% off your first order. I think it's first time, I believe, or either first time or first try. But you put that as your code, and then that gets you 20% off. And that only works, it's a one-time code though. So I am still trying to work on getting a more stable code for you guys. But you know, like always, also the fire department, you know, or excuse me, FD Coffee 10 still gets you 10% off of your every order. So yeah, I'm still, you know, still bugging them, trying to get a sponsorship and stuff. So you know, just keep doing what you guys are doing. You know, buy from them, tell them that I sent you. Hopefully, maybe after a bit, you know, I can get you guys your own code. So we'll see how that goes. So yeah, anyway, we're just going to jump right into it. So enjoy it. All right, here we go. Oh. All right. Like I was sucking, I was going too little. Alright. Sorry about the bad camera angles and stuff, y'all, again. Oh, jeez. I'm just all butterfinger today. Alright. So, got lightage. And now what I'm going to do this time is I don't know if you can see it, how well. Oh, it's way up there. Oh, geez. Oh, almost. Hope I'm not out of gas. It's only been sitting though. And again, I do got that gas leak somewhere that I still got to tinker on that. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. It didn't fall like I was thinking it was going to either. I do have to take off that valve cover sometime, see where that chicken's coming from. But if I do that engine swap, this engine will probably be going out. And I got a buddy of mine, Joe, if you're watching, you know, if you still are interested in it. So, you know. Yeah. Good rig though, I really enjoy it. I was hoping to have it going this winter, but you know, that didn't work. Good. No smoke, not still ever. She's just a good running Jeep. And of course I got some of my stuff, but a lot of my daughter's stuff, because she likes to go yard sailing. So that becomes catch-all for all her extra stuff. My poor Jeep. So, yeah. Hope you all enjoy this video. So, like always, you know, let everybody know all that good stuff. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. So, anyway, see you on the next one. Bye. Oh, I almost forgot to share with you guys. I keep forgetting to. But, yeah, good old vice grips. You know, it's funny actually because they've been there since I bought the Jeep, actually. So, you know, they work just fine and dandy. So, yeah, I just figured, you know, at the end of this that I'd share with y'all. So, yeah. I don't know if you guys can hear it too, but it's got a vacuum leak somewhere. I'm pretty sure though it's coming from the heater section, because those were all, when I took the dash out with my buddy, all those hoses and everything, they were so shot and stuff. So really just got to come through sometime and do all that. Yeah. Floor switch. It's she's a little stuck too. But you know, all the lights and everything work. I don't know how well you can see it. Now, I do have one burnt out one. Oh no, I was wrong. That one's on also. And yeah, both tail lights work. Blinkers work. Stoplights work. But yeah, so I just wanted to, you know, share that with you as well. So, alright, bye.